Hi, in this video we're going to learn how to export data from Datagran to Power BI so you can use it in your visualization projects. First, we need the data and we need an API exporter, which is provided by destinations in Datagran. So, in Power BI, we're going to click in Get Data and use the option Web. With the documentation of the API in Datagran, in the REST API section, we can fill that advanced options in Power BI. So first, let's copy the API URL and let's fill the headers. Once we are filling this, we can click in OK and we are going to bring the data from Datagran. So let's wait for the data. If everything is okay, you're going to get this response, but this doesn't work for us here in Power BI. So let's make some transform on this data so we can use it. First, let's delete this and then let's expand to new rows this one. So all the data is packaged here, so we need to extract the values and we're going to use the semicolon because the point numbers have a comma. As you can see here, you have the data, but in one column, so it still doesn't work. So let's split the columns by delimiter, and let's pick semicolon. We have the data here, but first, not always the type will work. So in this case, the type of this column doesn't work. So let's make a change for text, and let's add new step. Then the name of the columns, it doesn't work either. So let's fix it with the data in Datagran. Once you have all of this, you can click on close and apply. Let's wait for the model to be evaluated. And this is how you can have your data from Datagran in Power BI. As you can see, the data is here and you're able to use it in your visualizations.